ground floor plan and first floor plan. First floor plan 3 bedroom, 1, 2, 3. This is twin for brothers. This plan divided in two parts like this, half here and half here. Total from here 13 meter 80 cm, 25 meter 26 cm. So we will see ground floor, hall, kitchen, general room, lobby, family living. So this is our entrance. We are access this wide open slab area, this lobby, and we are getting 245 cm by 188. This lobby 733 by 650, and we are getting this hall, big hall 1340 by 480, and this common bathroom toilet, this 100 by 140, 120 by 140. And this side we are getting family living 470 by 525, and this arch design and step also. And this is our stair for going first floor. This open arch, this back side entrance, this kitchen 420 by 303 cm, and this general room for store and other purposes. This is small separate bathroom 155 by 115. Everywhere we are given column. You can see final column layout. Wherever our column support coming, we have placed in very much proper way. So this same plan here also, everything same, completely same for two brothers. Even you want to open this side, you can open for exchanging. This same size everything, 3, 420, service room, this room, everything same. This entrance all same. We will come our first floor plan. So we are access first floor here. This from going down, this is our handrail, and this is our space 165, 185. This lobby passage. This is our study room. This is open arch 520 by 525, and this wide open slab. This balcony 190 by 150. This open area. This is our balcony shape, and this is also our projection for design, elevation design. And this side we are access. This is our bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. So this bedroom, this dress area 180 by 290. This bathroom 230 by 230. This 566 by 460. This bedroom size, and this bedroom 264 by 182, 240 by 182. This arch, this is arch, this 464 by 420 centimeter bedroom. Here also we can keep our small cupboard. Same here, this 264 by 182, 240 by 182, 514 by 420. So this one plan, same here, everything all same. This for two brothers, two family, nice floor plan, and everything same. 3 bedroom, master bedroom, and 1 study room, passage, this wide open area, everything as per this plan, everything same. So we will see our outer design. So we enter here, we are getting this window frame, and this, you see this wonderful projection design for wonderful elevation purpose, and here, and we are getting this side here coming, This window coming here, our window. This side same, we have given projection frame, everything for design purpose. And here we have given 2 division kitchen window. This is our ventilation purpose for a small opening window, bathroom window. And this is our bathroom. This is our window for ventilation. So this much our window coming. This is the step from back side entrance. And same here, this is our wide window open, this full for sunlight. And this we are getting study room window, this balcony sliding door, and this side window, this full frame, wonderful frame design. And this side window, this side we not given window. This ventilation, this window, here this ventilation, here window, this ventilation, all same, both same. This is our sliding door. So this is our window area, all side. So you can consider this plan for boundary and wonderful design. We will keep our door wherever our door coming. So this is our entrance door, we will keep here. This is our entrance door like this, and this door like this. This is arch, and this is our window door, and this entrance from here. And we can keep this door here. Everything same here, everything we can keep like this, and like this, and like this. Here also coming. This is our door. This is our kitchen. This is back side entrance, and like this coming. Our door everywhere. And you can see a column, everything we have given very much proper way. And this is all our door. This is open arch, this open arch, this is door, this is our door, and this is open arch, this is open area, this is sliding door. Same here, everything same. This is arch, this is our dress area, this is our dress area, this is our something like this. So this wonderful floor plan, total size 25.26 meter, 25.26 meter, 13.80 from the front, and it will increase your boundary and other thing. If you will measure from here, it will come 18 centimeter, 18 meter. I hope you like this plan. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.